Hello, Nathan Lucy. How have you been?
Hey, I've been good. What about you?
Same here, but you know what? We should catch up properly. How about a dance battle just like old times?
Haha, you're on. Let's see if you still got those moves. Alright, let's do this. I will go first.
Dance of Friendship is an animation about a pair of friends who haven't seen each other in a long time and suddenly meet. They start a dance battle celebrating their reunion. Through this animation, the message is conveyed that when friends are here, happiness is here. The animation utilizes Unity for animation and Blender for 3D modeling. Unity provides
Thanks,
a
you too.
comprehensive
It felt
set
just
of
like old
animations, including walking,
Yeah, it did. We should
dancing,
do this
and
more of
more,
it.
ensuring smooth and dynamic
Definitely.
character
I'm gonna
movements.
run now.
Blender offers an
No
easy-to-use
worries. It was great
interface
seeing you
for
again.
3D modeling,
Same
allowing
here.
for
Take care of
detailed
this
and
story so
expressive
long
character
next time.
designs.
Agree. Bye for now. Bye bye.